Shenzhen Xingwo LED Tech Limited, an ISO 9001 certified and national high-tech enterprise. Honesty, team, innovation, gratitude, and win-win are our culture. In Xingwo family, every smiling face is as passionate as fire. In our production line, every procedure shows the pursuit of quality, and every staff is the representative of light artistry. Our dedicated workers use their profession to control every process in a right way when production. The high performance and stable quality make our products enjoy a high reputation in the international market. Equipped with automatic aging machines, allows every light to get strict aging test, then to ensure the stability and durability of each light. From start to finish, strict QC and quality systems guarantee products that meet the highest standards. We believe that reliable lighting comes from rigorous testing. Our in-house laboratory is fully equipped with advanced instruments such as salt spray testing equipment, integrating spheres, goniophotometer, temperature humidity chambers, and drop impact machines that comprehensively cover light efficiency, structure, electrical safety, and environmental adaptability, and ultimately help to ensure that every product is subjected to strict testing before shipment. In the warehouse, we use professional storage and constant temperature and humidity chambers to protect components better. With a traceable system from warehousing to delivery, ensured reliability and safety of raw materials throughout the process. Our professional R&D team has 10 experts with 10+ years experience in structure, electronics, and smart control technologies. With a spirit of innovation, we continuously develop original, energy-saving, smart solutions tailored to clients' needs. Our dedicated sales team is experienced in the lighting industry, ensured us to provide lighting solutions with professional support in time. In the past decade, we've earned multiple honors, including certifications and patents. These achievements reflect our commitment to quality, innovation, and trust. High CRI ensures light quality, making colors in the space appear natural and comfortable. High luminous efficiency ensures energy saving, helping reduce long-term costs. These two core features, combined with a wide range of product types, allow us to meet the needs of various commercial applications. That's also the main reasons why we have delivered many renowned projects successfully across multiple countries. Xingwu lighting fixtures illuminate every wonderful corner.